We love our Alfa Romeo, but the door panel is so bland. We decided to go on Amazon and upgrade it with a few things. The first thing is, if you look at the window switch, we have this little carbon fiber thing. We've upgraded that in a previous video. In this video, we're going to go ahead and upgrade this little door bowl pocket thing where the handle sits in. There's a little light inside of that door pocket, so the Giulia and the carbon stands out even during the day. It comes with 4 pieces, one for each door, and it's really easy to install. It comes with a primer, one for each door, and all you're going to do is take that, wipe down that little door bowl, so you clean it and you prep it for the adhesive, and then take the adhesive backing off so that you can just stick it on. I like to line it up with the bottom and then move the door handle if you need to, and then rub it in, press it down for about 10 seconds, and admire your beautiful Giulia logo inside your Alfa Romeo. I know Mosley loves it, and if you do too, there will be a link in the description below where you can get one for your Alfa Romeo. I seriously think these look sick. Let us know what you think in the comments below.
Doesn't it look great? Looks great.